What's up everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to guide you through a simple swing trading strategy that's really powerful. Alright, because it's all about change of direction and also using two sectors that make up SPY, right? And giving you confidence in that change of direction for you to trade that change of direction. Go ahead and get your pen and pencil.
Are we going to learn something today?
And we're going to back test this for the past 6 months and then arrive at today. All right, and we're going to see how many trades you have taken, right? What is your W to L ratio? Chill like that. All right, and then for this week, what does the setup look like for this week, and what will you trade based on this strategy?
It's a bold strategy, Cotton. Let's see if it pays off for him.
So now that you got your pen and pencil, take a look at this. What you're looking at right now is SPY. It's the first screen right here. Second is the tech sector, XLK, which makes up 33% of SPY. And lastly, the financial sector, XLF, which makes about 13% in SPY. Cool. The next thing you need to know is that this right here is the 66-day moving average, and that this whole timeline here, these candles, there are 6-month, daily, or 24 hours. That's all you need to know.
Write that down, write that down!
And the strategy is really simple. We only focus on SPY before we look at any of the other two. All right? And it's simple as this. SPY is trading in one particular direction, and then it changes direction. For example, right here, changing from underneath the 66 MA to now, this day right here, which traded above it, closed above the 66, we call that our signal day for us to prepare to trade the following day, a call. We're gonna start all the way on this date, 5/12, 6 months ago. And we're going to go ahead and go forward and see how many trades we would have taken that occurred, a change of direction occurred, and how many W's to L ratio we will encounter up to the current day. All right? So let us begin counting our trades and see how powerful this setup is. Cool. We have right here our first trade. The SPY is trading underneath and now closed above. So we're going to go ahead and highlight this real quick. So on this day, we have a change of direction occurred. When a change of direction occurred from SPY trading one direction to the now it's on a close over the other direction, that's gonna be your signal day.
Oh, awesome! As a bat signal, that's your. Oh, sorry. That's your signal. That means we have to go now.
Yeah, that's what that means.
It's so cool.
All right, you trade the following day after the signal day. On the date of the signal day, you do your homework. So now on this date, on May 3rd, we got our signal day. So what do? We go ahead and take a look at Take a look at tech sector and the financial tech sector to see if they're supporting the signal and how strong is this signal. Here we go. We got the signal day for a call. Let's go ahead and take a look at tech. Is tech supporting a call? It did not close over the 66 MA. So tech is slightly supporting you, but not a lot. All right, because we want to also see it close over the same direction of SPY. Cool. So tech, iffy, almost supporting you, but not supporting you. So far, this signal is not as strong. Next, let's take a look at the financial sector. Same thing. So now this is considered a weak signal. A weak signal. So what you want to do, either A, this signal is weak. You can either A, take a small position, or B, don't take any position and wait for further confirmation, right? So let's assume we've taken that instead. I probably would have done that, right? So then days continue from 5/3, bam. Take a look at this one. 5/12 on May 12th. Tech is supporting you. Tech closed over the 66 MA. That's all you need to know. So then on this day, 512 for SPY, you would have taken a call on this day here. Is that a good idea? Yes. We're relatively close to the 66 MA. It's fine, right? You can take a trade. You take this trade for a call, ta-da!
Winning's winning.
Once tech is on your side, you can just lock in and ride the trend of this change of direction. And that's exactly what we did. So on this trade, W. Now we wait for a change of direction to occur. Assuming you sold somewhere around here or here, pretty good percentage here, you're done. All right? Now you're done. You're going to wait for the next time a change of direction occurs. Let us keep going, let us keep going, let us keep going until a change of direction occurs.
A few moments later.
Ding, 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 ding. We got a change of direction from up here to all the way down here. Look at that. This one closed below. Could I have taken this one? No. So you want like the change of direction, you want it to be dramatic. Okay, you don't want it to be. You don't want the teaser. Okay, I'm not sure what I just did there. All right, you want a dramatic change of direction. All right, and this is the one. This is a teaser. It ain't much of a change of direction here. It's a teaser. We're locked in on this one. So on this date, on 8/1, that becomes your signal day. So the market closed, and it closed with a change of direction, and dramatically, keyword, it dramatically changed. It did a change of direction. Look at that. Look at that red. How strong is this change of direction? Is tech supporting you? So let us see. Is the tech sector supporting you? We're gonna need to look for 8/1. Let's look for 8/1, 8/1, 8/1, 8/1, 8/1, 8/1, 8/1, 8/1. Oh my goodness, we gotta keep going. 8/1. We have a change of direction for a put. All right, for a put. Cool. Is tech supporting us? Yes. Tech is also dramatic. Literally. Number one, we're below the 66 MA, and we also close with a major red. And look at the previous candle. It engulfed the previous candle. Hello.
This is a win-win-win scenario for everyone.
So what do you do on this date? You take a position on put. Either on that after hour for an overnight put, or you wait in the morning. Doesn't matter, right? But the key is, the closer you are to the 66 MA, the better on taking that position. So probably in the after hour or so, I would probably locked in on the position here. This trade, W.
We win! Group hug in the shower tonight! Or not?
W trade, right? And as for the financial sector on that same day, right here, 8/1, the financial sector is not supporting you. Hello. It's not really much supporting you. It's way above the 66 MA. Yes, he also had a major red on this day as well too. But overall, it's pretty up. We've been up above the 66 MA, where the tech sector past few days. Look at that, and look at that. You know what I mean? One is below it, the other one is above it. Do I prefer both supporting me? Yes. But if tech is supporting me, no problem. That's all I need to know. It's a 33% weight, all right, versus a 10% weight on financial. Done. And now the next day for a change of direction for SPY is this day, right here. Here's your signal day, 8/14. So we got our signal day. So what do? We take a look at tech and the financial sector to see which one is supporting us on this change of direction for a call. Cool. The tech sector is not supporting us, but it's also not supporting us. That makes sense. They're supporting us, but not a very high level of confidence. If it was really like versus on this day here, on 8/19, it would have been way better, right? Here, not supporting us, but pretty close. Let's take a look at the financial sector. Financial sector supporting us, bruv. The past few days, market dipped and the financial sectors dipped and rejected that change of direction, went up. So that's really holding up, that's pushing SPY. You know, that 13% influence is locked in. It's locked in. So you have that as a nice support, right? And next thing you have a nice support, not it's tech. Yes, it's not as a huge support on this day than this day, but on this day, you know, you're seeing this. You're seeing this gulf back upward to try to move up, to come back to the 66 MA. So there's some level of support that tech is trying to do for you as well. So what you want to do on this date is you would take a light position, medium to light. Medium to light, right? Medium to light. In this, based on this interpretation, you take a medium to light. Either A, you take a medium to light, or B, wait. Wait for what is it called, you know, for a better day. Wait for a day in which where, you know, tech is above it, trading above it, right? How do you take a light to medium trade? You would have made a W on your call. Ta-da! That's one. Number two, had you waited, you would probably waited either on this day to take a trade, which is 816, and then 816 would have put you on, you know, trading on this day. Skipping over this, you know, pick up, you would have trade here, and you would have made money. You're fine. Chill like that. Another W.
We just got the dog! Let's go!
Let us go to the next opportunity for a change of direction. So SPY continues from, and then bam, look at the dramatic one right here. This is a dramatic one. This one says, oh my goodness, I'm going home. I'm going home. All right, so this is the day you got the signal. Here we go. Let's go ahead and mark it. We're done marking. So let's do our homework. We got the signal day on 9/6, September 6th. Let's go ahead and go to the tech. The signal is what? The signal is for a put. It was up here to now we close below. So now this is a put. This is a put opportunity. All right. Do we have support on the tech sector? Yes, we have support. It's way below. We're literally way below. You have the heavyweight 33% influence saying, nah, we're going down, and then you have the financial sector saying, no, we're staying up. And we're not just up, but like really up. I mean, this thing has been up for some time, and it's just, I mean, we're really further away in the past few days. Look at that. It's exact opposite as this one. So this is a case where either A, don't take any trade, B, take a trade, C, look at the other sectors. Look at the other sectors, right? The other sectors, and compare it. You know, I think this is a case where the other sectors are probably all saying yes to a call. This is probably a case where majority of the other sectors are probably saying, nah, we're up like that. Where, you know, where tech is saying, nah, not confident. I would have taken a trade on put on this day. Matter of fact, I probably would have taken a heavy amount of put, just because of how much tech is supporting me. You know, probably would have done that. Not gonna lie. So on this day, I would go ahead and place a put, and then just like that, reverses back up, and then on this day right here, we would have to sell. So we'll go ahead and take an L on this day.
I am having a very bad day. I am in no mood. This, today, is one of the worst days that I've had in a long time.
We're taking L on this trade. Done. Guess what? This also becomes our new signal. This becomes our what? Trigger to sell, to get out, and also a signal for us to trade. So now let's look at this day, 9/11. So let's take a look at it. See if tech sector is supporting us, and is the financial sector supporting us or not. On the tech sector, yes, we got a support. Look at this rejection from down to right back up, and look at this candle here. This candle screams bullish, and I want to return. I want to go back, and I want to fly. That's what this literally says. So yes, we have a nice support right here, a big pickup, like an extreme pickup, right? And now let's take a look at the financial sector. Financial sector had a significant thingy. It came down to test the 66 MA and it got picked back up. Look at this nice pickup. So this is a test to the 66 MA. So, wow. So that's also supporting you for a call, right? We got a call here. We got also this is supporting you. So this is a nice trade for a call. You can either take a call on this following day right here, as long as you're taking the trade, which is really close to the 66 MA. You chill like that. The better for you. Cool. And then just like that, you ride the wave. If you were not confident and you wanted to see a better, more higher closer than the following day, you could wait. Had you waited on this day, 9:13 would have been, your major signal to tell you, yeah, now tech is literally above, trading above the 66. On this day, 9:13, you would have taken your call right here, and you would have made a W. Regardless, the 2, you would have made a W here. W. Now, let us continue on and waiting for the next signal for a change of direction. Here we go. We came right back down to the 66 MA, but again, we didn't do a change of direction. We don't care. We're looking for a change of direction that's dramatic, sassy, and drama, and craziness. Because the stock market is literally that. It's emotion. It's literally emotion. All right, here we go. Cool. We have one. We have our signal day. We got a signal. We got a signal. We got a signal. We got a signal.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
We got a signal for a put. Now let's look at it and see if the tech sector is supporting us or not. December 18, where are you? December 18, right here. All right, the tech supporting us. Here's our signal. Bam. Market closed with a change of direction. Done. Right? The tech sector supporting us also with a change of direction for a put. Done. The financial sector, let's take a look. The financial sector also dramatic, also supporting us. What is going on right now? Right, we got support on both. So on this day, whether it be in the after hour, I'm locking in on a put. I'm locking on a put, and just like that, you would have made a small amount of money. You would have definitely made money here for assuming you took a put. From going all the way down from at 588 to all the way down to 576, bruv. Sure, you would have made money, and then it would have ran back up. You don't know. We don't know. You know what I mean? If the percent is pretty high, you probably would have either A, sold half, or waited, or sold all. Regardless, this would have still been a W, depending on what you did. So let's consider this a W. This is essentially a W.
Winning's winning.
This right here, it went in the same direction. It was a W. Now you wait for a change of direction. Oh, look at that. Literally 2 days later, or the next day, you got a change of direction. On December 20th, you got a change of direction. Let's go ahead and mark that. Look at that. So on this day, you had a change of direction for a call, right? On the after hour, you go ahead and determine how strong this signal is, right? This is a signal day for you. A change of direction occurred. You're going to take a look at tech sector. It's supporting you. Oh my goodness. Tech is literally screaming you, yo, I'm on your side. What are we doing? Right? And then financial sector. Kind of supporting you, kind of not supporting you. You know what I mean? It's not fully over it. I like to see this day right here to really say that's a heavier support. This is like 20%. We'll take that. We'll take your 20% support. Hello. Sure. And then done. You'll go ahead and lock in. Because the 33% is supporting you, done. You go ahead and lock in on a trade as long as you're really near the what's it called? The 66 MA, lock in. Done. You take this trade and just like that, W, taking you from 591 to all the way to 600. What is going on right now? Right? A nice, beautiful call, beautiful print. Right? Chill like that. That's W. Cool. The next thing you want to do is wait for a change of direction. Same thing. Look at that. We're really coming near to this, to this day. Let us continue. Dramatic change of direction. Hello. A dramatic change of direction. Done. Lock in. Lock in. What is this day? 12:30. 12:30. Let's go ahead and change the color. So we're not getting confused out here. Oh my goodness, what color is next? This one? Oh, okay. Bruh. Let's go green. Oh yeah, 12:30. Let's go find 12:30 here. 12:30, where are you? 12:30 for tech. Let's go ahead and find tech's 12:30. It's right here. Bam. Oops, gotta change that color. Oops, right here. Why did this one took so long? Cool. We marked it. 12:30. 12:30, 12:30, done. We have a change of direction for a put. Is tech supporting us? Yes. It is dramatic for sure from where it was at, but I'd like to see the whole body, like, literally change direction. I like to see that. The whole body just say, no. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're stepping over the line, not just, you know what I'm saying? We want to see that, whoop. Shit like that. So, to a degree, yes, we are getting that support. Could you wait the next day? Yes. So now let's take a look at the financial sector. Is that supporting you? Yes, the financial sector is literally already under for a put. Chill like that. So this is a situation where the financial sector is more supporting you than the tech sector. The tech sector is technically supporting you. It's just not as dramatic as what's it called? The here, because we're literally underneath the 66 MA, which is bearish. All right. So yes, you would take a put, chill like that, and then ta-da, you'll make funny money. You'll print from here 589 put to all the way down to 580, bruv. Look at these ranges here, these dollar ranges. This is gonna be really good money here for a put. Just like that, one contract alone will give you really good return here. Chill like that. All right, done. Another W.
Winning's winning.
Now let us continue on until we get a what? The next change of direction. Let's continue, and ding. We got a change of direction. We got a change of direction here. We got a change of direction. Let's go. Bam. Let's go ahead and color all three of them. All right, cool. We have a change of direction for a call. Now we're going to see who is supporting us. Is tech supporting us? Yes. Tech is literally screaming, I'm literally with you, bruv. That's what's happening right now. Tech is supporting us really well. Remember, we don't see this day, okay? We do not know what happens this day. So we gotta lock in here, okay? This is day right here. It's our signal day. It is now, market is closed. We got the signal to say, oh shit, we gotta change the direction. So what do we gotta do? We gotta make a decision for tomorrow or the after hour for an overnight trade, for a swing. All right. So on this day, tech is also supporting us. It's above the, we're above the 66 MA, which is the same direction of the change of direction. SPY looks to go call, right? Done. And now let's take a look at the financial sector. Financial sector literally saying, nah, bruv, don't do it. I'm not supporting you. Okay. What do we do? This is a very similar case to that one trade we did, where the financial sector is literally saying, no way. And then you had the, the tech sector saying, Yahweh. Oh, shit. It's kind of cool. Okay, too much. Okay. Chill like that. All right. So this is a case where what you want to do is take a look at the other sectors. I think the next sector that's heavy influence after finance, I think, is discretionary, I believe, and health after that, the health sector. So take a look at those two and see, are those two also in the same alliance with the financial sector? If that's the case, you want to be cautious here, my friend. Right? You want to be cautious here. All right? Chill like that. So assuming we're only using these two, and then the tech sector has a heavyweight, we're gonna go ahead and do what we gotta do and listen to this. Listen to the what's it called? To the the tech sector and go in on the call. We will take an L. Hello. So on this day, you take a call. Market dips. Guess what? What? You're done. The following day comes. Guess what? This trade becomes a trigger. You must get out if you were in a trade, because now we got a dramatic change of direction, bro. And just like that, you would go ahead and take your L and get rid of that trade. Chill like that. Chill like that. All right? You're done. And then you're gonna look at this day, 1-7. It becomes your, what's up? What does it become? It becomes your signal day. On this day, you would have sold your previous position. You're done. Take an L. All right? And then on the same day, you would decide whether you're going to go ahead and go into a new trade, but this time on a put, because that's what you're getting. So 1-7, let's take a look at 1-7 here. Where's 1-7? Chill like that. So 1-7 here is right here. For tech. Is it supporting you? Yes and no. No, in the sense that we did not close below the 66 MA. And yes, in the sense that look at the previous candle. It got eaten. It's literally got eaten, bruv. It's like, whoops, hello, we're done. So there was a switch from buyers to sellers that occurred here. So there's that understanding going on. And guess what else? Who's supporting you? You got the financial sector supporting you. And no doubt that you probably had the other sectors also supporting you too, especially what happened yesterday. Hello. Right? And just like that. What are you going to do on this trade? Well, we've been emphasizing that have the tech supporting you. We don't care. So on this trade, either A, take a light trade, or B, no trade, or C, wait for further confirmation. Right? Assume you took a further confirmation on this day comes. The next confirmation would have been this day. Literally the following day. The following day closed in the after hour. That would have been your confirmation to go in on a put. To go heavy on your put if you've taken light. Or if you didn't take no trade, you wanted to wait for further confirmation, chill like that. You can now take a heavier trade with full confirmation that tech is supporting you. Chill like that. This also would have been a W. So now what we have been waiting for. this week setup. Look at this, guys. Look at this. We've been down, change of direction, and also is dramatic. So guess what? On this date, last Friday, this would have been your signal day. This is the day in which in the after hour you'll determine a trade. You will determine a trade. Right? You'll determine the strength of this signal, of this trade, which in this case is a what? Call. We're going above the 66 MA. Right? So then on this day, what you have done is what? You do your homework. Is the signal strong? Tech supporting you or not? Is the signal strong? Financial supporting you or not? The financial sector. Financial sector says, yo, we chill like that. We're supporting you, bro. Right? The tech sector said, yeah, I want to support you, but give me some time. That's what that is. This is what's going on right now. Yes, we're getting a nice scoop back upward, rejecting the change of direction, right? This change of direction here. We're coming right back up to that 66 MA. That's what's going on right now with the tech sector, right? But guess what? Ultimately, at the end of the day, the tech sector did not close over a 66 MA. So this is a case of, A, should I take a trade? If so, I'm probably going to take a light trade because I want to wait for further confirmation of that 33% literally on my side. I don't want to go against that 33% influence. Shit like that. So for me on this trade, very, very tempting to go ahead and take a trade. But I like the influence of tech sector. Chill like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait on Monday. And on Monday, if we're trading over, right here, if tech is trading over 235.47, by the time it's like, on let's say 2 to 3 hours before the market close, and if tech is closing over this, is looking to close over that, I'm going to go ahead and take a call, a swing call. That's my plan.
Okay, see, this is why we needed a plan.
So what's your thoughts on this strategy? What do you think? It's very clear that this strategy is simple, is logical, and is backed by sectors. Hello. What are your thoughts on this? Are you going to trade this setup? Will this be your strategy? Is this something you're going to start with? And what's your overall impression of this strategy? Go ahead and lock in the comment section. And I appreciate you guys for going and hitting that like button as well as subscribing to the channel. So with that all said, take care, everybody. Whoa, before we go.
Oh, wait.
We had more W's than L.